Hello Concordians, this is Group 12 Proposal for Lucrative Solution for 2069. Here's our team working under the guidance of Professor Dr. Mazda. The proposal is to seek the best alternative to enhance the revenue for the property from the owner's point of view. The property is 269, which is located on Boulevard de Mizanes West. It's an apartment building built 65 years ago. It's of total space 16,000 square feet, 4 stories, 17 apartments, which are all being leased. Meanwhile,
the problems associated are less revenue generated compared to surrounding buildings. Building is more than 60 years old, lack of modern day amenities, and also incompetence of owner for seeking better opportunities. As tenants of the apartment, we have better knowledge of the persisting problems and can propose better solutions. Many commercial places at walkable distance increase its ability to generate more income. Well, here is a list of alternatives which we determined during the initial phase of the project.
Well, the total alternatives were then narrowed down to the 7 alternatives as you can see. The first alternative is to sell the building at present monetary value and invest in a bank at interest rate of 3% for a life of 20 years. The second alternative is to demolish the old building and construct a new one. The total cost of the building including demolition and construction cost would be around $3.4 million.
The third alternative is to demolish the building and construct a parking complex. The proposed complex would accommodate 50 cars costing $2.5 million. The fourth alternative is to convert the building into a shared workspace such as private office, business lounge, and listing out platforms such as WeWork, Regus. The renovation would cost around $2.5 million and could generate income of $400,000 per annum, which is more than 3 times the current revenue.
The fifth alternative would be renovating the building for its hard finishes. The estimated cost for the renovation would be around $1.2 million. The next alternative would be listing the property on Airbnb. Assuming an occupancy rate of 70% every month, the expected annual income for the property would be around $300,000.
Our seventh alternative is to change the ground floor and lease it out to a restaurant or a clinic. We expect a 25% increase in revenue. And our further steps are to compare the costs and benefits of all the alternatives using a suitable technique and then submit the best alternative to the owner.